Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed recently, so we'll be sharing his experience.
Hi, my name is Avinash. I'm from Maharashtra Engineering College. I have completed my graduation with CS background with 8.45 GPA. I have joined PySpiders in the month of July. I have done with Python full stack development course where I have learned Python, SQL, Django, and all the subjects. Where it was, I had a great experience where I have learned everything from basics to advanced. I have learned about data structures. Even I have it helped me a lot to crack interviews. It was a great experience learning here. Have done mocks, have given mocks, and so I have learned SQL from Murli sir, where I have learned all SQL queries and everything. And then later on, I went to Appy, where I have learned from aptitude from Selva sir, and again have joined Python from where I have joined by Vijay sir. I have learned everything from Python from scratch to advanced. Again, I have completed data structures by Keshav sir, and have done data analysis by trained by Vijay sir, where I learned Power BI, NumPy, Pandas, all the libraries, and
Django.
I have joined Django and completed Django by Alex sir. It was trained by Alex sir, and then
So congratulations.
thank you.